everyone, it's Rachel, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create a realistic looking rose using polymer clay. So let's get started. To make the colour of my rose, I'm taking some Sculpey translucent clay and mixing it with fuchsia pearl. I'm using the translucent clay so that the rose comes out more realistic rather than a really bright opaque colour. So once you've got your ball of clay, roll it into a large snake and you want to cut off sections using your blade. For the rose petals in this tutorial, you'll need 12 small balls, 6 slightly larger, 6 slightly larger again, and then also 6 large ones. Now to shape them into the petals, I'm taking some corn flour so that the clay doesn't stick to me, as well as a large ball tool. For the smallest petals, I placed each ball into the palm of my hand and flattened it down with the ball tool, and then I just repeated this step. For the larger petals, I simply flatten the clay with my fingers, and these don't have to be perfect because all the petals can be slightly different. Then all of the petals should look something like this. Now with the 12 smaller petals, you want to start overlapping them, so take them one by one and place them on top of each other. Once you have a long line of them, use your blade to take them off your work surface, and then you just want to curl them around like this. Now to help me hold my rose while I make the rest of it, I simply took a toothpick and I stuck it in the bottom where the stem would go. You can now continue adding your other petals separately all the way around, and also going up in size so that you finish with the larger petals last. You can also gently pinch them to make them look more realistic. Now go ahead and remove the toothpick, and I actually baked mine in the oven for just a few minutes so that it's easy to handle later on. So for the leaves, I'm mixing together a dark green clay and some translucent clay. Then you want to shape it into a leaf by rolling it on your work surface and then flatten it down. I also pinched the edges to make them thinner. Use a needle tool to add some texture, and then chalk pastel shavings on the ends. To help secure them onto the rose, I used Sculpey Bacon Bond, and then I went ahead and baked it in my oven according to my package's instructions, and then optionally you can also add some glaze if you would like. So that's everything for this video, and this is what my rose looks like once it's completely finished. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for lots more crafty videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!